Today we're talking about one of the most extreme and aggressive BMWs ever made. A car that combines power lightweight engineering and pure German madness. We're talking about the BMW M4 CSL. This isn't just a regular M4. CSL stands for Competition Sport Lightweight, which means it's built for the track, lighter, and more performance focus. Under the hood, it has a 3.0-liter inline-six cylinder twin-turbo engine power output. 543 horsepower, with around 650 newton-meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 3.7 seconds, and its top speed reaches approximately 307 kilometers per hour. But the danger isn't just in the numbers. BMW completely removed the rear seats to reduce weight. Carbon fiber is used in the roof, hood, and even the racing seats. It's about 100 kilograms lighter than the standard M4. The suspension is stiff and track-focused. The steering is extremely sharp, and at high speeds, even a small mistake can make the car lose control. That's why many people say this is a car that demands a skilled driver. It's not a daily comfort car. If you're not fully focused, it can punish you. Only around 1,000 units were produced worldwide, making it rare and highly desirable among performance enthusiasts. Simply put, the BMW M4 CSL isn't just a fast car. It's a machine built to break records and test the limits of whoever sits behind the wheel. So what do you think? Is this the most dangerous BMW ever made? Or is there another model that deserves the title? Let me know in the comments.